welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the BENKS ArmorPro Case for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. BENKS makes some of the absolute best cases you could possibly get for any phone. My favorite case for my iPhone 16 Pro Max was a BENKS case, and this is an ArmorPro case for the 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, there are a lot of unique features about this case. We're going to cover every one of them in this review. First of all, this back of this case is made with Kevlar material. Aramid fiber, really strong, gonna really protect your phone from drops, from scratches, from anything. Very nice material, and also looks really great. Now, this is a 600D pattern, but they have other patterns, other different colors you can get, so you can find the one that fits your taste and works for you. This case is gonna be really protective from drops and falls. It has a nice raised bezel around the camera, and it's kind of a nice sort of metal aluminum look. Really good contrast with the case itself. On the front side, you've got a slightly raised lip to protect your phone on the front. You can lay it down flat, it will not touch. That's great. What I really love about this case are the button covers on this case are very high end. The way they're designed, again, like I said, BENKS makes the absolute best cases. Everything they do is very high quality, super high quality. And nothing says that more than something simple like the buttons. Something that for some case makers is like an afterthought, but not for BENKS. For BENKS, the buttons here, they're very nice, they're very sturdy. They feel like they're part of the phone, the way they're built in. And in a first of its kind, as far as I'm aware, this is the first time I've seen this, over the camera button, they have a cover over it. But the button still works. You still get all the functionality, the press, the slide on the camera button, but it is covered and protected, which is really cool. The cutouts on the bottom are perfect for charging as well as for the speakers. The buttons on the other side for your volume rocker and your action button, very nice, look really good, and just feel great. It works just as well as if you didn't have a case on the phone. Some cases with some buttons, they make the buttons press easier than they would normally. Not with this case. With this case, the buttons work just as if you didn't have a case, which is great. You also have great protection in the corners and on the sides. You've got little air pockets on the inside, and that helps protect your phone and keep your phone safe in case of a drop. Everyone knows corners are the worst. If you hit a corner, that's where it shatters your screen, and so there's nice little air pockets to help protect your phone as well. Now, this is, of course, a MagSafe compatible case. BENKS only makes cases that are MagSafe compatible, because why would you want a case that takes away functionality? And the magnet that's on the side here is a nice strong magnet. It's going to enhance your MagSafe capabilities and works great regardless of whether you're using it on a charger at night or if you're using it on a mount in your car. It's going to hold tight, and just like it would if you didn't have a case. So really excellent magnetic ring inside there, so that you can still use all your MagSafe accessories without any problem at all. Again, just a really nice looking case. Looks good on your phone, but also the functionality, the protection, gives you all the protection you need, all the features you want. Excellent case from BENKS. Again, it is the ArmorPro Case. If you need a case that really gives good protection for your phone, also looks great. This with the Kevlar material and the little air pockets and the great button covers, definitely the case to get. The ArmorPro from BENKS, high quality case, and definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.